Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to write a program to find search in rotated sorted array. There is an integer array nums sorted in ascending order with distant values. Prior to beginning pass to a function nums is possibly rotated at an unknown pivot index k, such that the resulting array is 0 indexed. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 might be rotated at pivot index 3 and becomes 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2. Given an array nums after the possible rotation and an integer target, return the index of the target if it is in nums or -1 if it is not in nums. You must write an algorithm with big O of log n runtime complexity. Here they have given an rotated sorted array and we have to find the target value in the given rotated sorted array with the time complexity of log n. Let's take an example. So here the array elements are 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2 and the target value is 0. So here the element 0 is present on the index value called 4. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go for the example 2. Here we have an array element and the target value is 3. So we have to check whether the element 3 is present in the rotated sorted array. Here it is not present, so we have to return the value called -1. Let's take the example 3. So here we have only one element, target value 0, which is not present, so we have to return -1. So when we have to search an element in log n time complexity, the only logic we have to go for is binary search. With the help of binary search, we can solve this particular question. Now let's discuss the logic in detail. So here I have taken an array of size 7 and I need to check whether the element 0 is present in the given array or not. Okay. So obviously I will take a variable called low. I will increase the value as 0 and then height as nums dot length -1. Okay. So low is pointing to the first index, high is pointing to the last index. Now what I have to do? I have to take a while loop. While low less than or equal to high. First I have to calculate my mid value. So how can I calculate my mid value? Int mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2. So low value is 0, high value is 6, 6 by 2 is 3. So this is my mid value. Now what I have to do? I have to find whether the element which is present in the mid is equal to target. If that is the case, I have to return the mid index because that element is present. So if nums of mid equal to target, if it is present, directly I can return the mid value. Return mid. So here mid is 3, nums of mid is 7. 7 equal to 0? No, condition is not true. Which means the element is not present. Now I have to change the low value and high value. For that we have to check the condition. The condition which I am going to check is if nums of low is less than nums of mid. Check the condition. Nums of low value is 4. Nums of mid is 7. So here I should give less than or equal to, not less than or equal to. 4 is less than or equal to 7? Yes, 4 is less than or equal to 7. If the condition is true, what I have to do is I have to go inside. I have to check one more condition. That is, if nums of low is less than or equal to target and target less than nums of mid. So here the condition which I am going to check is nums of low value is 4. 4 less than or equal to 0? No, condition is not true. If the condition is not true, I will not go inside this if condition. I will go to the else part. In the else part, I will be updating my low value as mid -1. I will be updating my low value as mid -1. I'll close this else and I'll close the if condition. Okay, so here we can say that low is equal to mid plus 1, sorry, not minus 1, mid plus 1. Which means the target value is not present before mid, it is present after mid. That is why we are checking the condition. If nums of low value 4 is less than or equal to 0, condition becomes false. If the condition is false, low value has to be updated as mid plus 1. So which means the target value might present after mid, not before mid. That is why I have updated. In case if the condition is true, what I have to do? I have to update my high value as mid minus 1. I have to update my mid value as high. I have to update my high value as mid minus 1. Means the element is present before mid, not after mid. Okay. What if the condition is false? What if this condition is false? Nums of low is less than or equal to mid. If this condition is false, so at this point of time, I'll go to the else. In else, I have to check the condition. So here I was checking from low to target and target to mid. Here I have to check one more condition saying that if nums, now I have to go from mid to high. So nums of mid is less than target and target is less than or equal to nums of high. So if this condition is true, what I have to do? I have to update my low value as mid plus 1 else I have to update my high value as mid minus 1. I have to close the else part. Finally, I have to close the while loop. If we are coming out of the while loop, we have to return minus 1 saying that the element is not present in the given array. Okay. Now I'll go for the next iteration of my while loop. So low value is 4, high value is 6. Check 4 less than or equal to 6. Yes, condition is true. If the condition is true, I have to find my mid value. Mid value is 6 plus 4, 10. 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So now mid value is 5. Mid value is 5. Check nums of mid value is 1. That is equal to target. No, condition is not true. If the condition is not true, I'll go to the next if condition. Nums of low less than nums of mid. Nums of low is 0. 0 is less than or equal to nums of mid. 0 is less than or equal to 1. Yes, condition is true. If the condition is true, here from low to mid I have to check. So that is nums of low value is less than target. Nums of low value is 0. That is less than or equal to target. Condition true. And target value is less than mid. Target value is 0. That is less than mid. Yes, condition true. If condition becomes true, so what I have to do? High equal to mid minus 1. So high value is mid minus 1. Mid is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So low and high both are pointing to the same index value. So after this if condition, else case will not get executed because this if condition got over. This else case will not get executed because this if condition becomes true. I'll go for the next iteration of my while loop. Low less than or equal to high. Low is 4. High is 4. 4 less than or equal to 4. Condition is true. If the condition is true, mid equal to low plus high by 2. Low value is 4. High value is 4. 8. 8 by 2 is 4. So mid is going to point to the index value called 4. Now check nums of mid equal to target. Nums of mid is 0. 0 equal to 0. Yes, condition is true. If the condition is true, I have to return my mid value. My mid value is 4. So I'll say that the element 0 is present on the index value called 4. This is the logic of the program. Now let's try to implement it as a program. So here first what I have to do? I have to find low value equal to 0. I have to find my high value. High value is nums dot length minus 1. Now I have to take a while loop and I have to check a condition, that is while low less than or equal to high. If the condition is true, I have to find my mid value. How can I find the mid value? Low plus high divided by 2. After finding my mid, I have to check one condition, that is if nums of mid equal to target, I have to return the mid value saying that the element is present in the array. If this condition is not true, I have to check the next condition, that nums of low value is less than or equal to nums of mid. So from low to mid I am checking. If this condition is true, I have to check one more condition, that if nums of low value is less than or equal to target value and target value is less than nums of mid. If this condition is true, the element is present before mid. So I have to update high equal to mid minus 1. Else I have to give low equal to mid plus 1. In case if this if condition is false, which means the next case which we are checking is from mid to high. So I'll go for else case. In else case, what I'm going to do, if nums of mid is less than target and target less than or equal to nums of high. If this if condition is true, I have to update my low value as mid plus 1. Else I have to update my high value as mid minus 1. That's all. So once after coming out of the loop, we can say that we can return minus 1, saying that the element is not present. So when we are coming out of the while loop, it says that the element is not present. If the element is present, directly we can return the mid value inside the while loop itself. That's all. Let's run the code now. Okay, there is an error here. Okay, I have given num, the array is nums. Okay, this is a mistake I have made. Everywhere I have given num. So let me run the code after modifying this. Here also it's nums. Okay, let's run the code now. Yes, it passes the test cases. Let's submit the code. Yes, it passes all the test cases. That's all.